Blowing Your Own Horn, a guide to self-promotion. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard but perhaps not fully understood: blowing your own horn. It's all about self-promotion, but there's a fine line between doing it right and overdoing it. Let's unravel the meaning together and see how it's used in everyday conversations. Blowing your own horn refers to the act of talking about oneself's achievements or talents in a very proud way. It originates from the days when people literally blew horns to announce their arrival or to celebrate victories. Today, it's all about drawing attention to your successes, but it carries a connotation that perhaps you're doing it a bit too much. While it's important to recognize and share your accomplishments, blowing your own horn often hints at crossing from confidence into arrogance. It's one thing to share your achievements in a job interview or a resume. It's another to constantly seek the spotlight in casual conversations. This section will help you understand where to draw the line. Let's look at some examples to see how blowing your own horn is used in different scenarios. In a job interview, I don't want to blow my own horn, but I was instrumental in doubling our sales last quarter. In personal stories, he's always blowing his own horn about how many countries he's visited. We'll dissect these examples to show when it's appropriate to use this phrase and when it might not be. There are ways to share your successes without sounding too boastful. This section will introduce you to alternative expressions and phrases that convey a similar message but in a more humble or indirect way. For instance, highlighting achievements, or sharing success stories, can often serve the same purpose without the negative connotations. Thank you for joining us in exploring the nuances of the phrase, blowing your own horn. We hope this video has shed light on how to talk about your achievements with just the right balance of pride and humility. Remember, it's okay to share your successes, but always be mindful of how it comes across to others. Until next time, keep learning and growing. And don't forget to celebrate your achievements in a way that brings everyone up with you. See you in the next video.